So you want an electric bike? Lots of people have bought them, but there are pitfalls as well as advantages. Many electric bikes on the market are very expensive and have limited warranties. Parts and after-sales service may not be as good as they should be, so where do you start to look? A good place to start is with your local Batribike dealer. All Batribike dealers are selected for being bike enthusiasts, experienced in electric bike maintenance, and are friendly local businesses. The Batribike range offers exceptional value for money, often costing hundreds of pounds less than our competitors. We have industry-leading warranties including 3 years on motors and batteries, and 5 years on frames. No other manufacturer comes close. So if you want a value for money electric bike, it has to be a Batribike. Biketyke is your local dealer in the Barnsley and South Yorkshire area. Visit our website to see the range, or call us to arrange a test ride. We look forward to seeing you soon.